The 2006 Dodge Caravan. The Dodge Caravan invented the minivan, offering an especially useful amount of room and a surprisingly easy-to-drive package. The Caravan quickly became the new synonym for family transportation and spawned competitors from all sides. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, CD player, passenger airbag, intermittent wipers, fourth passenger door, variable speed intermittent wipers, front disc rear drum brakes, cloth seats, driver vanity mirror, power outlet, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, third passenger door, steel wheels, tires rear all season. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.